If you're doing hundreds of crunches every day thinking that's gonna give you abs, I've got bad news. You're wasting your time. Here's what actually works. Step 1. Train your abs the right way. Here's where everyone messes up. People think abs need crazy high representatives. Wrong. You wouldn't do 100 push-ups with no weight and expect huge arms, right? Same thing here. Here's what works. First, add resistance. Use dumbbells, bands, or weights. Body weight alone won't give you that thick, carved look. Second, keep your representatives between 5 and 15. If you're doing 30 representatives easy, make it harder. Third, progressive overload. Just means gradually adding more weight or going slower. Your abs need challenge to grow. Last thing, train them twice a week. They need rest like every other muscle. Step 2, you only need 3 exercises. First, cable crunches for upper abs. No cable? Use a resistance band or hold a weight while crunching. Just actually crunch forward, don't bob your head around. 3 sets, 10 to 15 representatives, 1 minute rest. Next, leg raises for lower abs. Hang from a bar or lie on the floor. Too hard? Bend your knees instead. 3 sets, 10 to 15 representatives, 1 minute rest. Finally, side crunches for obliques. Use a cable or hold a dumbbell and lean side to side. 3 sets, 10 to 15 representatives, 1 minute rest. That's it. 9 sets total, takes 15 minutes. Step 3, lose the fat. Real talk, you already have abs right now. They're just hiding under that layer of fat. Your abs are built in the gym but revealed in the kitchen. You need a calorie deficit. That just means eating slightly less than your body burns. Not starving, just eating a bit less. Cut about 15% below what you normally eat. Search calorie deficit calculator online and punch in your numbers. Now stop scrolling and go do the work.